Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So today I am going to start a new series of Revit architecture. So in this session I am going to explain you a beautiful design of a stair. Okay, so this is the beautiful design which I am going to show you in this session. Okay, so still if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get my new video updates, and it will be helpful for me to get motivated to update a new advanced videos related to Revit architecture software. Okay, so in the last videos I have explained you how to create this curved facade wall and how to create wooden log walls and many more. Okay, if you have not watched those videos, you just go to my YouTube channel and you can check on that, or else you can just click on my description box, you will get those videos. Okay, so let's start. Fine, so here I have opened Revit software. So first what I will do, I will create a stair. So to create such stair, so I will just select the stair. So go to architecture and click on the stair. Okay, once you click on the stair, here in the property browser, what I will do, I will just create monolithic stair. So to create such a beautiful architectural stair, you need to click on this drop down menu. Here we have monolithic stair. Okay, once you create it, so what you can do, so if you want to increase the run width, you can increase this. So here I will increase it, so I will leave as it is 3 feet. So then here a desired number of stairs I will give 22. Okay, so fine, yeah, so I will create a stair here. So this I will make it to run right. So you just select it. Yeah, so this see desired number of stairs I have created 22, because here 11 and another side I will create 11. Here it is showing 8 risers left, 8 risers created. So yeah, you just click it again. Once you create it, see you can extend this also. What I will do, so I am going to create as it is what we have here. If you want to give it inclination, you can give space here. You can start creating another stair from here. So I am going to start it from here itself and just create it. Here we have, and just give right click. Fine. Okay, so here we have, so here I will just delete this railings. So you just select the railing and delete it. Select these railings. You just hit tab button to select and just delete, and I will delete this also. Okay, once you go to 3D, so here we have a monolithic stair. So yeah, here we have. And one more thing, so what I will do, I will just keep this in a south elevation. So here we have the stair. Okay, so now what I will do here, these steps also should be visible to create such profiles. So for that what I will do, I will just go to this visual style. So here you have graphic display option. So just click on this graphic display option. Once you click on this, you just keep this transparency to around 50. So here we have, yeah, here we have got these things. Okay, so next what you need to do, you need to go to profile. Here I will create it using a roof by extrusion. So you just click on this roof by extrusion. So these steps I am creating using roof by extrusion. See this thickness. Okay, so what I have to do, so you just click on this pick a plane and just give OK. So once you give OK, you need to select this plane. So here what I will do, I will just select this plane. So you just give it to south elevation. So wait vision. So here you need to select pick a plane. You just select this plane. Why it is not selecting? Yeah, now we have got. Okay, so now once you create it, what you have to do, I will just select this pick lines, then select this this line and this line, then you just select this line tool and join it here. Okay, then I will give fillet arc here of about 6 inches. So 6 inches I will give is from here to here. Yeah, from here to here. And one more thing, here basic roof it is creating, we need to give thickness of 2 inches. Okay, so you just go to edit type, create duplicate. So here what I will give, stair. Okay, stair of 1.5 inches I will give. Okay, so then go to edit here, go to edit here, you just give 1.5 inches. Yeah, here we have. Okay, fine. So once you create it, you need to give just a right mark here. So once you give right mark, you just observe here, if you go to 3D, here we have this type. So what you have to do, you need to give this a thread width. Okay, so for that what you have to do, here in the extruded end you need to give -1 feet. See there, here we have, sorry, -1. Yeah, so this is of about 1 feet. What I will do, I will give -9 inches. Yeah, see, here we have. So next again go to south elevation, then I need to create remaining things here. I will just make it fast forward for this. Okay, from in the last steps you need to give of 3 inches. So you can give 3 inches, and from here to here, from here to here. Yeah, okay, and just give okay. Then for the last step, what you have to do, again you need to go to architecture, roof by extrusion, and just select the plane and just pick these lines. See, you just pick the entire line. So here you need to give, so you just give right click. So if you go to 3D, see here we have steps. Okay, so for this part you need to give up to here, right? So what you have to do, you just select this and select this roof, select this, and you can extend it and you can make it align. So from here to this. Okay, so now you can observe. So this is how you can create this stair. Okay, so now what you have to do, so I will just go to level 1. So I will create a wall here. So to create a wall, I will just go to architecture and select a wall. So the basic wall I will create. So this is the 8-inch wall. So what I will do, I will create a simple 3-inch wall. Okay, just go to this and okay. So from this should be wall face exterior. I will select. This should be up to level 2. See, from you just press space button and just give it. Okay, so for this, see, you just, if you just go to 3D, here you have See the monolithic stair what I have created, that I am going to delete it. Once you delete it, see, if you keep it in shaded mode, you will get it. See here you have. See, you just observe here. So now what I will do, I will just remove this. I will just add a different material for this. If you just select it, go to edit type. So if you go to edit, here you have. Okay, so here you can change the material. So I will add the wooden material here. So if you go to category, so you will get the list of material. So for this I will use wooden material. So we just type wood. Yeah, so here I will use oak flooring. So you just check on this or use a rendering option and just give OK. Yeah, just give OK. See, here we have. So this is how you can create this kind of stair. So here for visibility purpose, what I will do, I will change it to curtain wall. So you just give this. So here we will get beautiful curtain wall. See, this is how you can create. So and then I will just go to this. So what I will do, I will go to camera view. So I will make a camera for this. So if you just pick this, so you will get a beautiful stair here. You just make an adjustment so that it will be visible beautifully. So this is how you can create. See, here I will just give it to realistic. Yeah, so to make it visible, you can make it like this. Okay, so hope you have understood how to create this beautiful stair. Okay, so in the next session, same type of video I am planning to bring you, so that you can learn more advanced level in the Revit architecture. So if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that I can bring you more videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye.